Sister.
Yeah, good evening. Yes. Yeah. So, good evening, everyone. Level 2 students, you can join the breakout room. Yeah, Yuga, Bharat, and Nehant.
Excuse me, sister.
Yes.
They said I'm in level 3 now. I have completed level 2 in the team of Anne sister.
Mm, no, you are in level 2.
Sister, no, I have completed level 2 in the team of Anne sister.
But you repeated level 2 again here, right?
Again, we are repeating the level 2.
Yeah. Then you repeated level 2 again. Why did you do that then?
Sister, they said, Yon sir send that link, no?
Hmm.
That link, they mentioned level 1, level 2, and level 3 also. So I applied for that link.
I did not get you.
In that link, I have applied, and in level 2 again it came.
In which link?
So long, Yon sir send one link to apply for Python levels.
Yeah. Then why
In
did
that,
you join level 2? And did you pass the interview?
yes, sister.
But yeah, Rohit, can you mute? Yeah. Bharat, but still you're not, you seem like you still have confusions in level 2. There are many things that you should learn in level 2.
Sister, I have sent that last they have said to make one video and send. No, that also I sent it.
Yes, you did, but in my team, when you attended level 2 classes, it seems like you still have confusions in the topics. Though you learnt it and you passed the interview, when you were attending the classes, you had a lot of confusions, right? So it's better you can continue level 2 now. Just one more topic is left.
Sister, then can I attend level 3 also with level 2?
No, you can just attend level 2 classes for now. Complete it, and then you can attend, like maybe you will have a project, or you may have to attend an interview.
Again.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Maybe you'll just get a project to do. So you can continue in level 2. Yeah, you can join the breakout room. Nihant and Yuga as well.
Okay, thank you, sister.
Yes. Yeah. So
Tanishka, should I also join the breakout room?
you're not in level 2, you're in level 1, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can be here. Level 1 students can be here.
Tanishka sister me.
You guys are level 1, right? All these days you are attending level 1 class, so you can be here.
Okay, sister.
Yeah.
Thanks.
So, yeah. Can you guys try to turn on your videos? Let me see your faces. This is the last class of your level 1 course, right? Yeah. So, Varsha, yeah, how was your day?
It was good, sister. Not bad.
It was good. Then, Lekhana, is Lekhana here? Okay, she left. And then, okay, Hamsini,
Yeah, sister.
Hamsini, is this your first class?
No, sister, third class.
Third class. Okay. And then Lekhana, you're in Angelina's team, right? It have some problem. Then, okay, Trisha,
Yes.
uh, is this your, like, did you miss any class in between?
No,
You did not miss?
no. I didn't miss any class.
Hmm. Yeah, that's good to hear. Then, how is your Python practice going on? Ashish?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
How's your Python learning going on?
it's good.
It's good. Did you learn anything new?
Mm, I didn't find anything new, but I I have a problem with my coding though.
Hmm. So, is there anyone here who is learning Python apart from the class? You guys are learning Python on your own? Okay. Payal, are you learning?
I asked, but not on my own. We are getting Python classes in our school also.
Oh, okay. What did you learn there?
We are learning the same, but we just learnt in WeJump more than that. But now in our classes we are starting. We are just starting.
So you did not learn anything till now?
Sister, no, it's like the same. We did it before in WeJump, but in our school we are doing now.
So it's not yet started?
It started. We are doing the arithmetic operations.
Okay, just arithmetic operations, or did you learn something else?
No, sister. We were just learnt about variables, arithmetic operations. That's all.
Okay. Then Trisha,
Yeah.
yeah, you
So,
raised your hand. Yeah.
yeah, as Pal said, we both are same school actually. In our school also, they are teaching Python. So sometimes we also used to take the class for our friends. So there are many students. So from next week, we are going to merge two schools. There are two branches of our school.
Hmm.
So we are going to merge that and together we will teach. So just 2 to 3 topics are done still now. So we are going to teach them also. Every Saturday we used to have classes.
Oh, really? So
Yeah.
what do you do in the class?
So they'll teach everything about like MIT App Inventor. So they're doing some apps in MIT App Inventor. So like basic things they all teach us. Only 40 to 45 minutes we get
Mm.
Saturday. There is only 1 day per week, no? So
Mhm.
and if the topic is fully done, they'll give some assignments. So we used to submit that in the group.
Mm. Did did you learn anything in Python in your school?
Yeah. I learned about like basic first. Teacher gave the basic information about Python. So now they have taught about input, output, and variables, and they have taught about arithmetical operations.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that's good to hear. Then, so you like to teach others? You like to share what you know?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, me
I
too.
love to share my experience with other students, what I have learned. So I have to help other students also to learn like me.
Hmm.
So now I think tomorrow we are keeping tests for our juniors also. So they can also join WeJump classes.
Yes. Then, how
So
many of you here like
we
to
read.
share what you know? Okay, should I repeat again? So I asked you guys, how many of you here like to share what you know? Okay, so four of us, or five of us, oh, six. Yeah, only six of us like to share what we know. Others, you guys don't want to share?
You wanna share?
Yeah, then raise your hand. I thought all of you will be raising your hand. Okay, many of you want to share what you know. Wow. Okay. More than half of the class, you guys raised your hand. Oh, okay. So if you want to share what you know, then what do you need? You need to have
First,
something to share, right?
first we should know what we have learned to explain others.
Yeah, that's right. And then,
Then we should be having experience about that
hmm, how will you get experience?
by practicing more,
Yeah.
like
And
doing
then,
it more time.
By learning and exploring it more.
yeah, absolutely. Then,
Practicing it daily to get more.
oh, okay, then
So if you make it as a
doing.
daily routine, so it will be easy to learn. So will be easy to teach others also.
Hmm. Then, Alan,
Yes, sister.
yeah, what do you think is needed to teach others or to share with someone what you know?
First, we should be knowing about it,
Hmm?
and we should practice it, and we should tell others.
Yeah. Then Angelina also raised her hand.
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you need to share if you want to share something to others?
We need experience and we need a topic to share and we should be known about the topic.
Hmm.
And most we should need the experience, so we should be able to explain what we are feeling or what the topic is to others in a more interactive way, and everyone should be interactive in that.
Yeah. So for Angelina, it's experience. So you all have your own stuff, right? Yeah. Then what about Dhanalakshmi?
Yeah, first we should know the thing properly.
Just one
And
thing. What do you think it's necessary?
because if we are knowing about the thing more, we
Hmm?
can teach others also. so that they can also perform well as us.
Okay. Then it's similar, just something, your personal thing. You can share that. What personally you believe that is necessary to share the things which you know with others. Godwin? Okay. Then Sana?
Yeah, sister. What I thought that all the members are told. So I am thinking.
Okay. It's fine. Then Dhanalakshmi?
Yeah.
What do you think is necessary? Yeah, you guys raised your hand, then you have to say. Okay, Payal?
Sister, and we need more knowledge about that. We are sharing it for someone. We should be
Mm.
knowing correctly about it, and we should be having more knowledge about that.
Oh,
But like,
yes. Then Pragna?
If we tell to someone, it feels we can also understand that we understood the topic best, and
Mm.
other members also understand. So we understand the topic best, and other members can also understand the same topic.
Yeah, you can learn together, right? Not just teaching. Yeah, that's true. Then
So can
Varsha?
I?
Sorry, Yeah, Varsha.
If we are teaching someone, we'll also get the same knowledge what we are teaching for the like juniors.
Yeah, that's right. Similar one. Then Sana, did you remember?
Yeah, I think if we learn, we can understand. After that, we can do new things. Like we can
Hmm.
think, we can do new things, and we can share with others, so they will also understand.
Yeah. Okay, now I also raised my hand. I'll tell mine. You know what I think is necessary to share? Like if you want to share something which you know with others, then yeah, you should have experience and then you should practice so that you can know about something very well. And then you should have a good heart so that you can share what you know with your friends, with others, right? I know that you all have a very good heart. You all wanted to share what you know. Yeah, I know that very well. And thank you. But you all have to know about something, right? And you're learning Python now. So you have to learn it very well. Only then you can share, right? You all have a very good heart to share what you know, and I appreciate that. But if you want to share it, then you have to know about it. You guys told me you have to get experience and then you have to practice. Then you have to know more about it and you have only then you can share. So, are you guys practicing? Are you guys learning it?
yes, sister.
Yes, sister.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, before in the previous course, I used to send the reminders in the group to submit the assignments, but I stopped doing it in this course because I wanted to see the members who are active and who are really dedicated. So, if you are really interested, then definitely you will keep that thing in mind and then submit it. And then I can know that you're practicing because there are a lot of mistakes and then I can correct that. But if you do not submit the assignment at all, then I can understand that only on Fridays you remember about Python and other days you just forget. So It's so good to say that you guys want to share, but when learning you have to put some effort. Only then it'll be with you. Or else soon after the class you forget everything, right? So I'll share my screen and I'll show you the attendance list. Okay. Yeah. Can you guys okay, I'll be sharing this in the Python group so that everyone can see. So here, this is the attendance list, attendance sheet. This is today's. So this is your presence. So you can check it once. Already your team leaders, they checked it. So you can just look at it. But I was happy that some of you did not miss any class actually. I am thankful to you. But but some of you, most of you did not submit the assignment, right? Just some of you submitted somewhere. Who is this? Okay, Pragna. Then Lekhna. Then Payal. Not Payal. Here. So you can see this. So there are many red marks here than green. It means that you guys did not submit most of the assignment. Yeah, Trisha?
So not every assignments I have not submitted. I have submitted some of the assignments also.
Which group you are in?
Angelina.
Angelinas. Yeah. She told me that except Lekana, nobody has sent her anything.
But she didn't give me any assignment.
She did not give you any assignment, but when you attended the class, me or Pranava gave you some assignments in the class, and we told you sometimes that we'll send it in the group.
Yeah.
Yeah, we did that, but you forgot to submit.
But I have submitted that day to that assignment.
I don't know which assignment is that. You just done some things randomly and you sent me.
So you told me that to do the assignments which we have learned in the Python, no?
That is.
Like
Sorry.
that only you have told about what we have learned in the Python. We have to send the assignment of that.
That is just to check your overall, things which you know. But so in each class, me or Pranava gave you some particular assignments to do, right? On particular topics. So you guys didn't do that. So by the end of the whole, after filling this, I asked you, right? Whether you know most of the things, and then you just sent me some things which you know, but that's not any assignment. I just got to know that you know some of the basic, but you do not submit the assignment. Yeah, yeah, this is the thing.
Excuse me, sister.
Yes.
Sister, only one assignment I did not submit.
Is it? Who is
Yeah, first one I did, but I didn't send.
That cannot be considered. You have to submit it on time.
I have submitted all, but only one I didn't send at the starting of the class.
Sorry?
At the first assignment I didn't submit, but remaining everything I have submitted.
Which team are you in?
I'm in Pranav's team.
You can ask him again. By the end of the session, we'll ask him. Yeah. So some of you did not attend the class and did not submit the assignment. So you were totally inactive. So those members, will have to repeat, or maybe you'll not be in WeJump, because Yonsha told me that if that's the case, then you're not interested. That's why you did not attend or did not submit anything. Yeah. So that's about your assignment and attendance. So here, your last assignment was to do a project, right? Yes?
Yeah.
Yeah. So one by one, you all can present what you have done so far. It's not like it should be completed. It can be incomplete because you guys are doing. You can send it to me by Sunday. Before Monday, by Sunday, you can send it to me. But now, what you have done, just present it. It was already mentioned in the group, right?
Me?
Yes, ma'am.
Thanishka,
Yes,
actually,
ma'am.
Hamsi, she's from Telangana, right?
Yes, ma'am. Hamsin is from Telangana.
She's not attending the classes, right?
No, ma'am, she's not attending.
Actually, you can remove Hamsini and Varshini from Telangana. Okay. I don't know which group she is, Varshini.
Yes, ma'am.
Those two are not willing to attend at SIM. So you can remove those two names. Okay. Their ma'am called me and informed.
Yes, ma'am. Hamsini
So
and then
Hamsini, you know, which is Kamarit, not Kamariti. Josie ma'am school.
oh, yes, ma'am.
Hamsini G and Varshini.
Varshini. Ma'am, Varsha is here, not Varshini.
Maybe Varshini is in other groups, I think.
Yes.
Just to give them instruction, okay, to remove those two students from WeJump.
Yes, ma'am. I
They
think
left from
Hamsini is here in the class now.
yeah. Now
Yeah. Hamsini, you're from Telangana, right?
Yes, sister.
You're from which school?
St. Thomas High School, Rampur.
Your in charge teacher?
Josie, ma'am.
Okay.
yeah, Hamsini. Did you tell Josie ma'am that you are not able to attend the classes?
Yes, ma'am.
Then still you are attending?
Ma'am, I
May I know
can't
the
even.
reason?
Ma'am, I'm not getting time to attend the
You're not
class.
getting time.
Yes, ma'am.
Which class you are studying?
7.
7th. So from here onwards, you won't attend the classes.
Miss, I will try to attend the classes.
Not try to. If you are interested, if you are regular, sincere, then you can continue. But if you are in dilemma, means no need to attend. You can inform your teacher and then you can leave. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Irregularity should not be there. If you are regular, then you can attend the classes. If you are confident that and really if you are interested means you can attend. Otherwise, if you feel difficult, if you are feeling difficult to manage both the studies and VJM means you just inform your class teacher, not in charge teacher, and then you can leave. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, Tanishka, continue.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Yeah. So if you have any problem, then you can inform me. I'll just remove you from Python group and then yeah. So one by one, you all can present your project. I'm waiting to see. Pragna, are you here?
Yes, sister.
Yeah, I heard that you started doing your project.
No, actually, last project I have sent to Pranava. I'll start today, actually.
Did you start doing anything? Like, did you start um to write any code?
No, I just done arithmetic operations and list. and just a little bit comment.
So the project which I'm talking about is what Pranava sent in the group. You
No,
know, not just today, but just a second.
yeah,
Yeah,
she
Tuesday.
sent that.
So you did not
I'll,
start yet?
no, sister, we should start. I'll start today.
Yeah, but Pranava told me that you already started, so I was just waiting to see your project. Yeah, it's fine then. Anyone else? Did you start doing your project? Okay, Payal, yeah.
Excuse me, sister, I did the half of it.
Yeah,
Like I
please share it.
short and kept. We should type the code in Python, right?
Hmm? You can share your screen now and you can present now.
Sister, I took screenshot. Can I show that or should I go to Google Colab and show it?
Mm, is it saved?
Sister, I sent to my mobile number itself. I'll just click that link and show you how much did I.
Okay, yes. Others, be prepared, okay? Yeah, someone sent. Mm, no, you can submit it to your team leader or you can submit it to me. You did not start doing your project because you were out of station. It's fine. You can send it to me, but do it as soon as possible.
Excuse me, sister.
Yeah. File I can see. Yeah, this is okay. So the project I was talking about, it's not just yeah, Payal, you can keep sharing. It's not just some pieces of code, you know, different pieces of code, not that thing, just a single program. Okay?
Okay, sister.
So now here, this below program finds the area of the square. Then the next, what is, oh my God, yeah. Next, what is your name? Next, x is equal to y is equal to, then your favorite color, then float, and then your age, then your name at last. So all these things are not at all related, right? So just a program means the first thing which you have did. You know, there's variable, there's integer, there's string, you're printing the value, and you're also asking for input. So all the things which you have learned, you're using it there. And also you added comments. Yeah, very good. Can you explain it to us?
Sir, okay, sister, this is what this is. I did this triple quotations is there, no? That is the multi-line comments we use. Here I'm asking that this is the below program finds the area of the square. Then I am giving the length. Okay, I am giving the length equals integer. Like we need a integer there. Integer means numbers, all numbers included. So we are giving integer. Then input. We are giving the input to that computer. Then we have to in the bracket we just enter the length of the square. Then we should find the area in this program in this code. So I gave area to find the area. We are doing length into length. Then hashtag, here we use square of area formula is the inline comments we use in this code. Then we have to print the area which is given there. The area of the square is then comma area. Then if you if you run the code, you will get enter the length of the square, then you get a box to write the answer. So I gave here 14, so it gave me the output as the area of the square is 196.
Very good.
Thank you, sister.
So here, what is the first line? What does it mean? Multi-line code, what does it mean?
Sister, I didn't get you.
Can you explain just the first line?
Sister,
Yeah, can you explain the first line?
in this first line we are typing multi-line comments, sister. In that multi-line comments we give help, like we give the instructions first, like we type triple quotations, then this is the below, we are telling it that we are giving the code for it.
Is it like a title?
Yes, sister, it's like a title.
What's the use of this?
It makes it's make to understand easier, the computer understand easier. Like if we give that simply length integer input and etc, if we give that simply, it doesn't get soon. If we give this multi-line codes, multi-line comments, and it can understand, it makes the computer understand easier, in the easy way.
But it's not printed, right? Then why should we write it?
uh, Sister, we use this to make the understand. We use this to that so that computer can understand it in an easy way. The codes we give here, right, that one it will understand in a easier way as it is the long code.
Okay. So if you're gonna give the title, then we use triple quotation.
Yes, sister.
Okay. Where did you learn it?
Sister, like it was my friend shared me once, like I just remembered that, and even in the class also I just, like while seeing that, I just mixed all of them and I did it.
Okay. So here the project which you all are gonna do is just the program, just this much. You see the first part. So just one program. You can include everything you have learned in just one program. Okay? No need of
Okay,
the different pieces of code, just one program. So here, when you just write a program, just a small piece of thing, just a project, I can understand how much you guys know and how did you understand it in your own way and what all things you guys remember. So there are many things you have learned. So Payal took some of it and she have put it here. So still she'll be doing it, right?
yes, sister.
Okay, make it into one and then yeah, you all can try the same. But it's up to you what you're gonna do. But don't copy from anywhere. Don't use any ChatGPT or no Google or any website. Just do what you know so that I can understand how you guys understood what we taught you. Okay. So I just wanted to tell you this level 1, Python course, it's the very, 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 very basic thing. So there are many things to learn, but it's important still because it's like the foundation. So if you have very strong foundation, then your further learning will be very good. You can understand it easily. But if the foundation is weak, then the building will be weak. And again, after learning many things, you just get some confusions. Just a second.
Sister, can you stop sharing my screen?
Yeah. Okay. So I was talking about your Python foundation, right? So this is the basic thing and easy one. So if you understand it very well, then it's good. Because later on when you learn a lot of complex things, it will be easier for you to grasp it. Yeah. So that's all I wanted to inform. So is there anyone in this class who thought about your project but did not start doing it? Pragna, did you think what you're gonna do?
Yes, sister.
Yeah, what are you gonna do? Like about what?
Like, I want to do about introducing ourselves and like any mathematical operations using
But
comments.
okay, you can use comment, but it's not at all related, right? Like you introduce yourself and then the arithmetical operation. There is no theme and there's no reason why you're
Like,
doing it, right? There
uh,
are many things
we
which
can
you have
take
learned.
length like family details, age.
So when you all connected together, it becomes like a profile. So think you're gonna write code, the program, uh,
Mm,
about the profile, about your name, your age, your class, your school, and then
family.
you can include the arithmetic operations there. And also you can use length function. Okay?
Yeah, sure. Is this topic okay, sis?
Yeah, it's fine. It's up to you whether to use it. Oh, just a second.
Okay, sister.
Yeah. Yeah. So it's up to you. You are free to choose any topic and do anything use anything you have learned so far. And also, if you know any other things except what you have learned in the class, then that's also good to hear because I can learn from you guys. So the thing which Spile told me just now, I didn't know about it. I didn't know there was a title and then we can use it. I didn't know about it. Thank you. So in the same way, you guys can write program, but it should have some reason and some theme, like why you wrote this program and how it starts. So your name, your and the arithmetic operation does not have any connection, but when you make a profile, then your age, your name, and also you can include arithmetic operation, and that's left to you how you're gonna do it in your program. Yeah. Did you get it, Pragna?
Yes,
Yes.
sister.
Then Trisha,
Yeah,
yeah, did you thought about your project?
yeah.
Yeah. Then you can share.
But I have not started the program still because I came to know the project before I start the class. So,
No problem. You no need to share, like no need to share your screen or something. Just tell us what you're gonna do.
so can we do about our introduction?
Every one of you, why are you behind the introduction thing? You can do something else. But
So I'll take time. So after 2 minutes, can I tell you?
yeah, sure. But think about it. Don't just search for it somewhere. Think about it. Because after you copy it from somewhere, then people will appreciate you that you did it very well, but only you know that you copied it from somewhere and you didn't do it. Someone else did. or maybe AI wrote it for you, you will not be satisfied and you will not learn anything. You'll just go down. That is why. So, anyone who thought about your project, you can share. When you share, we can mm, give some ideas to improve that. Yeah. Ashish? Yeah. Ashish?
Yes, Tanika. Yes, mister.
Yeah. Did you thought about your project?
Yeah, I started, but there is some kind of error in it. Yeah, well, while adding, it's like it's not adding, but it's giving the first letter first and the second letter second instead of adding.
Okay. So, can you share your screen
Can
now?
you check it on? Now I done the code in laptop and I am using mobile to join.
Okay. I'll share it for you. Just a second. Yeah, Ashish, is there any reason why you wrote the code? Like any theme behind it?
No, well, I actually don't know that kind of maths. Well, I am weak, so I was just thinking about I could do maths if it would be useful for me to.
Yeah. So I'll share my screen. Let's see what he has done. Yeah. So here, print. Then here, just no space. No space. Okay. Just
Where? Okay, the print.
yeah.
Okay.
So what is this?
So we have different means we can use any number in it.
Yeah, so to
So
number you're
input
gonna
and integer.
give the input and then it adds, right?
Yeah, but it's not adding. It's coming the first letter first, then the second letter second.
Hmm. So here, is there any
Yeah.
mistake? Can anybody find out? I know there's a mistake, but what is that? Can anyone find out? Guys, you can try.
Sir, can you repeat it again?
Yeah, there is some mistake here. So,
Sister, can I?
yeah,
Can I?
yeah, Varsha.
Sister, in second printer, first letter is capital.
Oh, that's not the problem.
Can
It
I?
can be anything. Yeah, Pragna.
I think in input we have not kept any number int.
Yeah. The thing is, you have written int, but
Number could
didn't
be.
give any sentence here, like asking what should actually happen. Like here, hello, and then this sentence is printed and this sentence is printed, and then here nothing is there. So what you should do is just a second. Yeah, sorry. So here, is this correct? Can you guys check it?
I uh I
I
think no,
think double.
it there is an error.
What error?
Like we have not give any number and uh not a uh, exact information about it.
So it's not int and then input. Sorry, it's not input and then int. So it's int and then input. So inside the bracket again, you can write something. So just for example, yeah. So here, it's not input and then int, it's int and then input. So you can write something here. If you don't write, it works, but you can write. Enter first number. Okay. So now it works. So Ashish, you can do the same here as well.
Okay, Tanishka sister. Thank you.
Yeah. And then this is actually correct because if you want to add, then it should be integer here. If it's not an integer, it's string, then you cannot add it. So that's good. And then now subtract. And then you do the same mistake again, so you can correct it. And yeah, multiply, division. Okay.
Simply arithmetic.
So division. So which division is this? Can anybody find out? This one. Not Ashish, any others. Which type of division is this? Okay, Ashish, you can say then.
It's, it's a floor division.
Sorry?
Floor division.
Is it floor division or float division?
Float.
Float. Why is it? Okay, what happens then? Now, if you give any number, then how will your output
It
be?
will give decimal points.
Yeah, it includes decimal points. That's better because if it's not divisible, then you can see the decimal points or the numbers after the decimal points. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's good. But there's another way you can write this code. You can make it short. No need of repeating the same thing again and again. But you're gonna use some statements there. But correct the mistakes here for now, and then
Okay.
you can do that later. Like you can
Okay, sir.
perform all the arithmetic operations without just asking for the input again and again. Like you can take the number once, like first number and second number, and then you no need to ask for the input again. You can
No,
add,
then
you can subtract, you can multiply, and then you can divide them. But you can do it
no.
later. For now, you can just correct the mistakes here.
Tanishka sister.
Yeah.
If we do like that, it will add and subtract the same number, right?
Yeah.
So I want to make it different numbers, so that's the reason I kept like this.
Okay.
So addition two numbers, subtraction another different two numbers, like that.
Okay. But this is kind of long things, long stuff to do. But it's fine. You can correct it and then share. You can add some
Okay,
more
thank you.
things which you have learned, not just arithmetic operation because it's easy. You can do something else. Yeah. Then Trisha,
Yeah.
yeah, did you think?
Yeah. So I had thought about doing traveling, about the traveling topic.
What will you include?
So I'll include like some arithmetical operations, like
Arithmetic
what like
operations to do what?
for calculating the kilometers or traveling distance.
Okay, and then?
And I'll add some more things what I've experienced, like so.
You can ask for the input then.
Yeah, I'll include everything. So what I have covered so far.
Yeah, so if you don't remember what you have learned, then just search for the notes in the group. I have sent many of it. So you can just go through it so that you'll know, uh, you can revise it again. You'll know all the contents and you can add them into your project. And then any others?
Yes.
Yeah, others, did you start doing it?
Yeah, sister.
Okay. So you guys can think about it and then start doing it and send it to me by Sunday.
Okay, sister.
Yeah,
Okay,
and it
sister.
can be creative. Don't just do the same thing, everyone. You can try new things.
Okay, sister. We'll be trying new things.
Yeah.
Yes, okay. So we'll wait for 2 more minutes for level 2 students to return.
Excuse me, sister.
Oh, yeah.
Sister, where should we submit the assignment? We should send it to you or to the
You can
Pranava
send
by.
it to me.
Okay, sister.
Yes.